Next step is punta tayo sa client folder natin. Yan, so ito yon yung client na yan. Then ang gagawin natin, create React app So magke-create tayo dito ng React project inside ng client folder natin. So hit enter and we'll wait hanggang matapos yung pag-create ng project natin. Okay, so let's repeat it. So create React app, then yung dot natin, then enter. Okay, so ang unang gagawin natin, we will check yung Node.js natin. So first step is lagyan natin yung node tapos dash v. So meron tayo version 24 and then tignan naman natin yung npm natin. So dash v. Ayan. So meron tayo. Okay, so may nakalimutan pala ako dito. So nawala yung npx natin. So create React app and then hit enter. Then, magke-create na yung whole project natin dito. So, we'll wait hanggang matapos yan. Okay, so since we already seeing yung happy hacking natin, it means okay na yung sa client part natin.